Hello everyone, it's Millicent from Xiangtan Shenzhou Special Cable, and we are the resources for all the custom cable and wires with nearly 20 years experience. We have been produced in a wide variety of high-temperature wire, FEP, PFA, ETFE, PTFE Teflon wires, super flexible TPU and TPE cables. Do you have interest to know how we are going to produce our cables? So let's go to our workshop. Here is the stranding process. The materials can be copper core, tinned copper, nickel plated or silver plated copper wire. The next process of manufacturing cables is insulation. One is PTFE tapped insulation. Cut the Teflon film into strips, then wrapped it and sintered. One is PTFE taped insulation. Cut the Teflon film into the strips, then wrapped it and sintered. Another one is extrusion insulation like this. These are finished wires. We can also print on wire as required. Here is the cabling process. The basic component of cable is now prepared. Next, we need to assemble the cable according to different utilities. The process is done in a cabling station. Here is our another cabling production line. Here is the shielding process. A shield is generally an electronic conductive substance. It surrounds a wire or cable, which prohibits any signal getaway. Here is the outer sheath making process. In almost all cases, the cables have an outer sheath. Meanwhile, the cable making can be printed on demand. So strict inspection is required before shipment, like a linen test, tensile test, conductor resistance test, thickness of insulation test, and measurement of overall diameter. Here are some cable and wire samples that you can get it for free.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.